And we have a new TTS model which runs on CPU. This new model, NeuTTS Air, is an on-device, super realistic text-to-speech model that combines a compact zero point 0.5 billion parameter LLM backbone with a simple codec architecture, and that is what we are going to install in this video, and we are also going to do a hands-on demo as how exactly this works. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member as that helps a lot. So what exactly is this new TTS Air model? It uses Quen model on the backend, which is just a zero point 0.5 billion model, and also a simple codec architecture to deliver natural human sounding speech in real time on phones, laptops, or even Raspberry Pis. This is also distributed in GGML format and it is optimized for efficient low power inference. It supports instance voice cloning from 3 seconds of audio and uses the proprietary Neo codec for high quality audio at low bit rates via a single codebook. So if you're looking to have a voice AI agent for embedded devices, for your toys and compliance sensitive apps, maybe this could be a good choice. It also emphasizes built-in security as you have watermarked outputs. So let's get started. I am going to use this Ubuntu system and I have CPU plus RAM of this spec. And this is courtesy Massed Compute. If you're looking to rent a VM or CPU or even GPU on very affordable price, you can find the link to their website in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Okay, so first up, let me quickly create a virtual environment with Conda. And now let me git clone the repo. I will also drop the link to it in video's description. And now let me install all the requirements from the root of the repo. While it installs that, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are iGent, which is the world's first multi-agent workforce desktop application that empowers you to build, manage, and deploy a custom AI workforce that can turn your most complex workflows into automated tasks. Everything is installed. Now let's launch our Gradio demo. And the first time when you run it, it downloads the model. The size is pretty small, as you can see. It is just 1.5 gig in size. And now it is running on our local host at port 7860. Let's access it. And there you go, NeuTTS Air is running. Let me now generate first speech from text. So I'm going to use this text so I'm live on channel and I say, well, my dear friends, please like the video, subscribe and become a member of the channel as that helps a lot. Now I would need a similar sort of audio, so I'm not going to use this text. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the text which they have given, like this one, and let me play the reference audio too.
So I'm live on radio and I say, well, my dear friend James here, clearly, and the whole room just froze. Turns out I'd completely misspoken and mentioned our other friend.
Right. Now, this is where you would need to give it the text to generate. So I'll just paste the other one here. So you've just given it this text. So it should just convert it into this voice and give us the output. You see, it is just generating the output. It is relatively slower than the previous TTS models, but still, let's see what the quality is.
As I'm live on channel and I say, well, my dear friends, please like the video, subscribe to channel and become a member as that helps a lot. As I'm live on channel and I say, well, my dear friends, please like the video, subscribe to channel and become a member as that helps a lot.
Okay, now let me select my own voice, but I will keep the text different here. So I'm just going to use my own voice here. Joy is found in simple moments of gratitude, and true contentment comes when we truly value the small blessings we already have in life. So the pitch is quite low in this one, but let's see what it does. It is running at the moment. Let's wait. And it is all running on CPU. There is no GPU involved. And maybe that is the reason that it is a bit slower than usual. And I am going to play it for you now.
So I'm live on room, just froze. Turns out I'd completely misspoken, mentioned the other friend. So I'm live on channel and I say, well, my dear friends, please like the video, subscribe to channel and become a member, as that helps a lot.
So you see the quality is terrible in this one. So one limitation which I have found with this model is that you have to keep the reference text and audio same, and then it performs quite well. So let me try to do that. So now I have just given it the exact text which I have spoken in my reference audio. Joy is found in simple moments. The same one which I played earlier, and I already have generated the audio with it. Let me play it now.
So I'm live on channel and I say, well, my dear friends, please like the video, subscribe to channel and become a member, as that helps a lot.
So you see, it is a bit monotonous, plus I don't think so the voice cloning is there. And my voice is totally different than this one. Let me try another voice here. And now let's try this bit longer one, and the voice is female.
Happiness is a fleeting feeling that can be found in life's simplest moments. A warm conversation with a loved one, a beautiful sunset, or a good cup of coffee can instantly lift our mood. It's a state of mind that can be cultivated through gratitude, mindfulness, and self-care. By focusing on the present and letting go of what
This is the voice. Let's see what it does here.
So I'm live on channel. And I say, well, my dear friends, please like the video, subscribe to channel, and become a member, as that helps a lot.
And this one is quite better. Maybe it also has to do with some audio quality, but I can say that this is much, much better. I don't think so that it is multilingual, but let's try it out.
في الصحراء الواسعة وجدنا واحة جميلة مليئة بأشجار التمر والنخيل حيث يمكننا الراحة.
Okay, so let me also convert it into Arabic. And if you're an Arabic native speaker, let me know. You can see that it is not doing it. So only English at the moment it seems, maybe Chinese, but I don't think so it is multilingual at all. So as long as your reference audio and reference text is there and the quality of audio is very good, then you can expect good quality from this new TTS model. Let me know what do you think. I think this field has evolved a lot and the bar is so high, and we have so many good TTS model that they have to do much better than this, in my humble opinion. But other than that, just because it can run on CPU, that is good enough to try it out. Please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member, as that helps a lot. Thank you for all the support.